guys. Yay! We made it! I hope you guys have truly had a good year. This was a good year for us, and I am here to talk about our good year. Like, I'm here to reflect about it. This is going to be a two-part type video. Today's video gonna be reflections and Nadya setting goals for 2018, and then we'll do a part 2, and that one, it'll be reflections, but it'll kind of be like video clippings of what we enjoyed the most about last year. So yeah, let's get started with today's video. All right guys, so I actually had to go back and take a look at 2016's reflection video that I posted at the beginning of this year. At the beginning of this year, guys, I was in my mom's house, and now, I'm sorry, at the beginning of 2017, I was in my mom's house, and 2018, I'm in my own house. Yay! We bought this house in March. If you have not seen that video where I do an open house, well, what do I call it? An empty house tour. Check that out. I will definitely have a link for that. Yeah, I took a look at the video from 2016. Well, the reflections video of 2016 to see what did I achieve, what goals did I set for myself, and what did I actually achieve. And y'all, well, we bought the house. That was one thing. I definitely have increased my family time with my children. My relationship with my daughter is still amazing. With my boys, they are so loving, so affectionate. Y'all, I can't even tell you how many times a day my boys tell me that they love me, and they always want a hug, like all the time. Seriously, probably on average, like seriously, about 20 times a day. I'm not even exaggerating. Like, that's real talk. My kids, my boys tell me I love you. But and my marriage, now that those goals did not get achieved. Like, that was for us to go out more. 2017, like, I'm not even sure if we went out. I think we did one date night in the entire year. Like, we just did not really achieve that at all, and we did have a lot going on. It was quite a bit of a roller coaster for a while, but I'm sorry. Yeah, that just was something that I really did not do well in, as far as like achieving that goal. We'll talk about my goals later, probably my birthday. I'll set some new goals for myself. I'll be making 33, guys. And so we'll do that in March. Today's video, Nadya will be setting goals for herself. But yeah, that didn't happen. And what else did not happen? Oh, my spiritual life did not, like, not at all. I will say that I go to church a whole lot more than I was. Yes, I'm definitely going to church. I've been doing really well with not missing church. Very well. I can't say exactly, but I definitely go most of the time 4 Sundays out the month, sometimes 3. So that's better. There's that. But everything else I did. My relationship with my husband is still good. We had some rocky moments, but such is life. C'est la vie. That's just a part of commitment and relationships. Those are just things will happen. Things will get rocky. Nothing is ever going to be perfect. But we're working on it. We're still happy. And my kids, they're good. They're great. And I think that I honestly feel like 2017, it definitely was a whole hell of a lot better than 2016. That is for sure. Like, that is absolute. So yeah, I'm pleased with how my year went in 2017, and I'm definitely looking forward to 2018 and all that we get going and achieve. And I'm hoping that I see more of you guys. Y'all know I be like some iffy with my videos, but Nadya is supposed to stay on top of me. So we'll see. I love doing these. These are fun. Sometimes I just get caught up in life. So I'm gonna try and do better. That's all I can say, you know. I'll try and do better with putting more videos out. I have ideas and stuff, but we'll see. Y'all know how I roll. we'll see. So let's get Nadya out here and talk about her goals for 2018. Hey. All right, guys, we got Nadya. What's up, Nadya? She's so mellow. As she gets older, like, she's goofy still, but I don't feel like she's as goofy. She's a whole lot more mellow. I kind of miss the goofy kid. I don't know. Whatever. All right, so Nadya is going to tell us about her goals for 2018. But first, Nadya, tell us what you thought of your 2017. Like, how did that go for you?
First, I like 2017 because we came second place worldwide at Summit.
Dope.
But one thing I didn't like about 2017 is because I cried at Disney World because one of the rides scared me.
Oh yeah, when we did
It was like Expedition Everest or something.
yeah, Expedition Everest. That ride was actually pretty crazy. Like, I really liked it. I'm looking forward to riding it again this year. Nadya said she's gonna conquer it though. That's what you said, right?
Yeah. But when I did, like, we went to go back to it, it was gonna be our last ride, but it was like temporarily closed for some reason.
It was. We went back because she was trying to conquer her fear, but she'll get to go this year and conquer that fear when we go in May. But yeah, so getting Summit, getting second place, Summit, that was pretty awesome. Okay, so let's talk about Nadya's goals for 2018. We sat here and we had a conversation just trying to figure, she's never done this before. She's never set goals for herself in the coming year, and it's something that I want to show her that's important, that you reach those goals that you set for yourself, whether it be in your personal life, your spiritual life, your school life, what have you. You always want to better yourself. You always want to grow and mature in those aspects of your life. So anyway, let's see what she has on her list. She actually made a list on her phone.
So the first one was work towards my tumbling skills, because I've been a little off and kind of a little nervous about it, like having a mental block or something like that. And the second one was getting my AR level up, because right now it's at like a 10 point something, but at my old school I was like at like 100 something. I don't know why.
Oh, and AR level, explain that to them in case they don't know what that is.
It's like when you read a book, you take like a test on it and they give you like amount points.
The direction that I was going in. But okay, so apparently she hasn't been reading enough extracurricular books.
I have. It's just a whole.
So okay, I don't know. Get the AARP. AR. Get the AR points up. Got it. Okay, what else you got?
My third one is to be nicer to my brothers.
Oh, no elaboration there.
And my fourth one is to be more open to new people, because I don't like people that much.
We gonna work on that.
And my fourth one and fifth one is to work hard at practice, because I get annoyed at people.
This year, her season has not been exactly what she would have wanted, her cheer season. It's just a lot of younger girls on the team, and you know, when you're younger, your attention span is just a little bit different than the older girls, and so sometimes Nadya gets a little frustrated. So I talked to her about it, just to be encouraging and motivate those teammates and stay positive, because she is a veteran. This is her second year on the team, and she is one of the older girls, and so just to help her be more positive to others and not get so frustrated, because they are younger. So
I have one more.
Okay.
Even though I do this already, but I don't really like it.
What?
Well, some vegetables. Try to eat more vegetables and be like healthier.
I feel like you do a really good job eating well, but that's good to take it a step further. She's always been that kid that's gonna eat vegetables and fruit over other stuff. That's good though, Nadya. You did good. Those are goals I think those are goals that she can reach. They're not like over the top. That will be a struggle for her to reach those goals, you know, within this year's time frame. And definitely being nicer to her brothers. That's a good one. And being more open to new people is something that we all could work on, honestly. Because sometimes we get set in our ways. But good job, Nadya, with setting your goals. So that's it, guys. That's it for today's video. I hope that you take the time to reflect on what goals you achieved, what positive things happened to you on last year, and not so much reflect on the negative, because the negative tends to outweigh the positive. But find something positive about last year. And I hope you guys have an amazing 2018. I really hope that I do better coming before y'all with a video. And we will see you guys in our next video. I'm gonna try and get Nadya to do more videos with me. Would you like that, Nadya? Sure. Would you like that? She's talking about sure. I hope so. I hope she does more videos with me and maybe a little bit more pep in her step. Maybe. Okay. All right. Mwah.